What is your #1 tip for wedding planning couples?
Honestly, it's to get a wedding website. Wedding websites are so handy because you can put so much information on there.
Okay, but what kind of stuff do you put on there?
Literally everything, from where to stay in the local area, local taxi firm details, even details of your love story, how you met, how you got engaged, and bios of who's who in your wedding party.
Oh, so kind of like an FAQs, but for your wedding.
Yes, because you do not want guests coming to you with questions about your wedding. You just don't need that. So your wedding website can have all that information, what the dress code is, what time do you get there, what time does it finish, all that information so they leave you alone.
That sounds amazing.
It is, and like I am a website nerd, admittedly, you know, I love a good website, but what I really love about the free Hitched wedding websites is that your RSVPs, when guests tick they're coming, link up with your table planner tool. So if your guest says they're coming to your wedding, they're immediately put into your seating plan so you can place them on your virtual seating plan.
That sounds like it saves so much time.
It really does, and for more information, make sure you check out our guide to wedding websites on Hitched.